Alright, wow, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Alright, I got seven heaven today because you know what, we got the Bachelor World War visiting us today, Mr. Kausar, all comer here. Don't say the newcomer. This is the old comer. Mr. Kausar since 2006 at a time. Even though we don't have the Bachelor World War, Mr. Fahmi Hanifa visiting us to chat about English today. Don't worry about that because we got the best teacher worldwide can speak, with accent today, Mr. Pratama. And then teacher. Alright. I will tell what my idea or my experience about talking about what do you think about Aceh exactly, and then what is the special thing and then interesting thing for you about Aceh. Alright. I don't have much time to tell because I know all the history about Aceh exactly, about not only women but also about jewelry, also about tourism, and then Aceh culture, and then heritage, anything about Aceh exactly. But I'm gonna to explain or share my history, my idea about Aceh exactly. Alright, first Aceh history. At a time Aceh very truly awesome scene take lead by our kingdom Sultan sekarang.mudah at a time. At a time Malaysia ada Raja at a time, including Patani and Thailand. Since 1603 at a time until 1637 at a time. Every single year, every single day, every single weeks, people from Europe, merchants with their ships, bringing anything about like gold, mirror, and then rice from abroad, bring Aceh at a time. And we do from Aceh because exactly I'm from Aceh. I'm originally from Aceh. Aceh, can find Indonesia exactly. Seen NGL company at the time, Exxon Mobil, and then our own company, Exxon Mobil, can help Indonesia exactly since 35 years at a time, since in 1976 until until now. So I do a program Aceh, not only by that, but also cleaner nowadays. Aceh cleaner #1 worldwide nowadays. The international cleaner nowadays only Aceh. Not only that, but also when you go abroad, Aceh always respecting by each other. For example, when you go abroad like Malaysia, Singapore, Vietnam, and then Thailand, when those people asking you where from exactly, from Aceh, you know what? Those people are gonna be bringing you to their home because Acehese people at a time can unite by Pahang Kingdom and then Malacca Kingdom by take lead by Aceh Darussalam Kingdom at the time since 1603 until 1636. Then I have a time this day because I don't have much time to tell a long story about that because this is about limited time, so I have to spend it up nowadays. This is very awesome to tell interesting about Aceh. Tourism, and then culture, anything about Aceh, very totally awesome. That's my time. My spin up. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.